Alright, this piece is fairly out of round. Most of the time I turn everything on my middle setting on my lathe, but we're going to slow it down just a little bit and we'll speed it up later as we get it more in balance. When you're out of round or off balance, you get a lot of vibration. And it doesn't take that long to adjust it. You can tell when it's out of balance because half the time when you stop it, you'll see it do a little back flip and it's stopping in the same place just about every time, so that tells me it's heavier on that side. Alright, stand out of the line of fire just in case this thing goes flying, and we'll turn it on. It's at the slowest speed. Not bad. Crank it up a little bit. Sometimes when you get that vibration, you turn it up just a little more, the vibration will go away. It's just something you can live with. Apparently that's not going to be the case today. It's even moving the camera. Alright. That's where we have to start at. Make sure everything's locked down, and always give it a test spin to make sure nothing's it's going to clear your tool rest. And scratched and dirty, but I do wear a face shield. Alright, let's get her going. It'll be slow going until we get it rounded down. My goal is to get down to solid wood where I can make a recess for my chuck. Tool rest is a little bit high. We'll drop it down a little bit. You see cats in the background doing their thing. Alright. Actually, I would normally turn it up just a little bit, but I'm trying to keep the camera from shaking so you can see what's going on. Rub the bevel. Wait till you see it sit. Raise it back and look and see it sit. And that's what I'm telling you. It's partly a feel thing. You can't really see it. lose the cut, you back up and start over. Almost down to solid wood. Oh, that's gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it pretty green in there or not. That's why I got my lathe strapped down with a strap. When you don't have a permanent shop, you do what you got to do. Alright, we'll come the other way, try to knock some of this off. Probably don't have as good of a view of my tool tip. Okay, tool's getting a little bit far off the rest, so we're going to adjust. That's called a catch. Never take your eyes off the work you're doing when this thing is spinning. I don't care if there's a gunshot beside you. You pick your eyes up for a split second, that's when accidents happen. And this is the only tool in a shop that spins the wood at you. And you can get in trouble real quick. You can't really see what's going on, but you can watch the line up here, the shadow, and see where you're at. And a good light is key. Not yet. I love variable speed. And as quickly as I can, I try to get the speed turned up. That makes the cutting go that much faster. You get a smoother cut and the wood comes off quicker. feeling around for where the wood is. Get my cut started and come across it. And you can see it's fairly punky right there. It's just the nature of the beast. I don't have a bandsaw. I'm not going to bore you with all the getting around. As I get it down closer, I'll come back to the video and we'll be able to speed things up a little bit.